Hello, 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 and welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to the Wrapped and Scraps family channel. Today the girls are going to be doing their gingerbread houses, and I just thought I'd take you along with me, so enjoy.
Okay, lay everything out. Okay, be gentle with your house. Tell Daddy thank you for picking you up. Now we might have icing, but we might have to do a little fixing on some of them. Because sometimes things crack, and that's okay. We just put more icing. Okay? Okay. Let me see. It's a little crack right here. It's okay.
Don't worry.
It's okay.
I
Be gentle with, hold on, Dad. Take off this.
It's a gumdrop.
I'll made it, don't worry.
And here's the ice. I'm going to stop the dough.
So as you can see, my friends, we're just going through. I'm helping my little ones put the icing on the roof, especially Lee, the one you see here. She doesn't really care for, the parts like this. She's more into the detail. I didn't really need to assist Zoe. She had that pretty locked down, and Zendaya was doing pretty well too, but she kept eating her icing, as you can see. Also, you guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are watching, please do me the honor of subscribing. I would love to have you be a part of the Wrapped and Scraps family, okay? So, as you can see here, the girls are actually doing pretty well. I thought that I would have to assist more than what I did. They are doing really well. They're going about it. You can see the little one, she's using her piping with the ice in. She's eating most of it, but she's making sure that all of the pieces get on the house, and she's already learned how to glue them. I think they were watching YouTube videos. But all three of them, as you can see, are doing quite well with placing their pieces, knowing what they want to put where. I tried to have them draw the door with a cookie marker first so that they can have like a rough draft. But none of them really wanted to go with that, so I just let them have at it, and me and the hubby just stayed, stood by just in case they needed some more assistance. So with Zoe, she's pretty intricate. She's really good at this type of stuff. She's extremely creative, so she really had a blast with this. It was really enjoyable to sit back and watch them do this. It's very therapeutic for me. I'm very crafty myself, so it's nice to see my children got some of that in them as well. Now Lee, she's more concerned with the detail of everything. She's the same way when she's drawing. She's not really concerned about coloring in anything. She's more concerned with the actual drawing, the pen. She wants a pen and or a pencil. She's rarely reaches for the crayons. And so I expected for her to want to just do the main parts and be done. And that's exactly what she did. And so a lot of it I had to keep, asking her to put more on. But after a while she was just like, no, I'm done, So she sat there. You will notice also periodically that Dale will keep dipping her finger in Lee's house, getting icing off. I don't know why. I think she thought the icing on her house was different. I don't know. But they all really, really had a great time. And I was just really surprised that, I didn't really have to assist. Like I stated previously, I didn't really have to assist them much. I just kind of threw it all out there, opened everything, and just let them go at it. And this little 4-year-old shocked me because you see how well she is using this little piping bag. I mean, she's really been watching YouTube and her mama go at it with, she knew what she was doing. I didn't have to help her at all after opening all the little candy parts. She was busy putting her pieces and eating the icing as she went. Surprisingly, this process went on for about an hour and a half while listening to Christmas music, and here's the after.
Gingerbread house.
Well, I made it rainbow because I want to be a rainbow cow.
She made hers. Her theme was rainbows.
Oh, I'm not done yet.
Girls' gingerbread house. Zendaya's. Zenobia's. And Chantilly's.
Again, like I've stated, this was such an enjoyable process for me to watch because it reminded me of when I used to do gingerbread houses when I was little. and how much fun it was, and the Christmas music and the smells and just all the whole thing of it was just a blast. So I'm glad we did do this year, and it's just nice to allow the kids to have freedom in something. They can't go and really do anything outside, so this was something they could do. They had complete control, and I loved it. We enjoyed watching them, and it was a great time to just be with family and enjoy the moment. Creativity is therapy, and I think this was a great therapy for the kids for the day. You guys, just stay safe. Please subscribe if you haven't. Remember to stay wrapped in scraps. Remember to stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.